Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use attendance report in Time Doctor. The first thing I want you to do once you're in your dashboard, come to the top menu, click on reports, and then we can come here, click on attendance. Now, you can choose what users you want, so let this initialize, and I'll show you all the different aspects of this. So I'll show you how to choose users. So here it says all users selected. You can see all the users. If you want, you can come here, click on this, and toggle off all users. You'll see the specific users. You can choose them, and it will only show those users. Okay, the other one would disappear. As you can see, I'll just go ahead and keep all of them. So we'll keep all the users. You can also go ahead and filter by groups if you want as well. And now here you can see William Hunter was actually absent on these shifts. These were 4-hour shifts. Okay, he was expected to do at least 2 hours, right? So this is the attendance report. This one will be a paid leave, and this person has no scheduled shifts. So you can set up schedules as well if you want. Right here, you can click on columns. If you want, you can add extra columns like actual hours tracked, day start time. You can even remove these. So I'll just remove this one. I'll show you. So it's gone, right? And if you want to only show the absent people, partially absent, and late people, you can toggle this one on. You'll only see those. I'll just toggle this one off again. I'll even show you how to filter, so you can choose your date range right here at the top right. So let's say from the 13th to the 18th only. And if you want to export, you just come here, click on export. We have different options. Choose your file type, your format, and user identification. I'll just leave name. If you want, you can add these as well. So we'll click on export, and a CSV file will basically be downloaded. Then you can open it up, as you can see right here. And that is how to use the attendance report in Time Doctor.